Sivga is a brand that made its name crafting luxury hand-finished wooden headphones. So why did they just drop a $40 metal IEM? This is the SM100 and it claims to bridge the gap between competitive gaming and high-fidelity music. But after putting it through a critical listening test, I found some surprises and one or two things you really need to know before you pull the trigger. The accessory pack is basic, but the shells are made of zinc alloy and built like a tank. I find them really comfortable. The high-purity silver-plated copper cable is simple and nice. It's tangle-free, has almost zero microphonics and comes with a good quality mic. The ear tips though are too basic and don't do justice to the IEMs. Before jumping right in, let me tell you, this is a tip-sensitive IEM. With the stock tips, there is almost no sub-bass, the mid-bass sounds thin and the upper mid-range shows audible sibilance. I tried various ear tips and found the E-Pro propeller tips really brings out the characters of these IEMs. Let's discuss further. As I mentioned, the sub-bass remains faint with the stock tips, but with the E-Pro propeller tips, the bass region comes with good body and presence. The sub-bass shows some texture and weight, while the mid-bass delivers good impact. It's not like any warm or bassy set, but the quality is okay considering the price. Vocals are on thinner side, even after tips rolling. The male vocals especially don't have that meaty, thick presentation. It feels like a high-resolution kind of tuning is going on. But the female vocals benefit from this approach. They are bright, shiny, and come with good energy. There's almost no sibilance except on some poorly recorded tracks. Treble has the proper energy. The resolution is fantastic. You can hear even the faint decay of high-pitched sounds. String instruments, cymbals, and bells come through with very good shine and sparkle. But with the stock tips, you will hear some ear-biting sharpness. The soundstage is really wide. Since this IEM isn't just for music lovers but also for gamers, Sivga has tuned it just right for the purpose. The depth is fine too, but the height is where it falls short. Separation is also good due to the high-resolution style presentation. Instrument placement feels accurate. It's not exceptional, but considering the price, it's more than okay. This is where the SM100 really shows its ability. Both macro and micro dynamics are fantastic and the transient response is fast. So rock and metal lovers will enjoy this. Detailed retrieval is excellent. You will hear the smaller details without fatigue as the sibilants are really controlled. Don't worry too much about pairing. This IEM is very easy to drive. You can run it directly from the 3.5mm jack on your smartphone, tablet or laptop. But if you want to push it a bit further, basic dongles like the AON ARU2 or the Softears S01 will do the job nicely. The Sivga SM100 is a clean, neutral to bright tuned IEM that prioritizes resolution and detail. But here's the catch. The stock tips actively hold this IEM back. Investing in a separate ear tip collection isn't optional here. It's essential to unlocking the IEM's real performance. If you want a well-built IEM that handles both gaming and music with almost neutral bass region, sharp detail retrieval and a wide soundstage, and you don't mind spending a little extra on aftermarket tips, the SM100 is a genuinely smart $40 pickup. But if you want thick, meaty vocals, warm bass weight, or a forgiving treble straight out of the box, the SM100 will frustrate you. You can also watch these videos and subscribe to this channel for more.